welcome back to my channel, and this is our last session for our Paniwang Ka course. For our last tip, make sure to have the best reason why you want to achieve your ideal body weight. I have three main reasons why I want to maintain my ideal weight, and that is number one, I am so thrifty. I don't like spending my money with the things that I just want. Well, in fact, I don't actually need it. So, one thing na doon is spending with my clothes. Tulad ng sabi ko last time, I used to wear, and even until now, I'm still wearing my old clothes dahil ayaw na ayaw ko talagang gumagastos sa mga damit. Tapos, isang beses ko lang gagamitin at tatambay lang sa bahay. My second reason is, or second ko na motivation is my work, kasi I work as a field man. So, I really have to keep my physique. I have to maintain my figure. Oh, di ba? Figure! So, in short, I have to be physically fit para makaakyat ako ng bundok. Kung kinakailangan maglakad ng 1 kilometro, 2, 3, dahil sa paghahanap ng mga lugar na kailangan namin puntahan, diba? At least kayang-kaya po natin, kaya ng ating katawan na hindi tayo magkasakit dahil tayo po ay physically fit, and dahil maganda po ang ating pangangatawan. Yun na, physically fit na. And lastly, my third motivation is based on my experience before, wherein nung nag-celebrate ako dahil sobrang saya ko na napalapit ako dito sa Iloilo, mga 1 buwan akong nag-celebrate. Kain lang ng kain, alam niyo naman, pag masaya tayo, tapos may pagkain sa harap natin, hindi na natin namamalayan na ubos na pala ang buong kaldero. And boom! Isang araw, nalaman ko na lang na yung pantalon ko nagsiself-design na siya, yung straight cut, may gusot-gusot na, diba? Tapos yung aking mga damit, meron ng mga splits, self-made na siya dahil lumaki na po tayo. And there was one time wherein my colleagues did not identify me when I came back after a month, kasi lumaki po talaga tayo, and I don't want it to happen again, and to happen to me first hand na ako mismo hindi ko na makikilala yung sarili ko dahil sa kapabayaan na hindi ko naalagaan yung aking sarili. So ayun, those are my 3 main reasons why I want to achieve my ideal body weight, and I hope you also have the best reasons why you want to achieve your ideal weight, hindi lang dahil porket may isang taong nagsabi sa'yo ng masama na hindi mo nagustuhan, or may gusto kang patunayan sa ibang tao. You should have, or you should do this for yourself and for your future. And I hope I hope you enjoyed our session. I hope you enjoyed our courses. And kung sa tingin nyo parang nasayang yung 3 buwan ng panunood nyo sa course ko, malamang dahil alam nyo, unang-unang session pa lang, alam nyo na kayo lang mismo ang makakatulong sa inyong sarili. And hopefully na-accept nyo yun, na walang pills, walang coffee, walang additional na tao na mas marunong pang tumulong sa inyo. Kahit ako, hindi ako makakatulong sa inyo, kasi ikaw lang mismo ang makakatulong sa sarili mo kung gustuhin mo talaga. So, I hope to see you again for the next 3 months. Bago na naman yung course natin. And yun, see you. Thank you very much for the 3 months, and see you on my next course. Bye-bye!
kayo nakakapit kamo sa akong nga channel. Kaya ano pang hinuhulat nyo? Pindutan ang subscribe button, pati